When you are the best, stay the best, and be on top. DST Tech, an enterprise driving the industry through innovation and technology. We are the leading manufacturer of sanitary, builder's hardware, and automotive castings in zinc. We are suppliers of cast and electroplated parts to the largest OEM manufacturers in India. With the recent forays in exports, we have won orders from marquee clients in Europe and America. With over 20 years of experience in the industry, we are well acquainted to the nerves of it and knows exactly what the customers at the very last door demand. Electroplated zinc die castings production is not just science, it's an art, which resides in the soul of our product design engineers and is the key to success of our technological research and manufacturing. Right from product design to tool design to castings, machine and surface finishing, all activities are in-house. Thus, we offer our customers with one-stop solution to their needs. We believe in harnessing technology that leads towards transforming the industrial standards and brings incredible innovations. Our research and product-driven approach is the force behind being the market leader in the industry we thrive in. We have strong linkages with International Zinc Association and world-leading experts in our field, helping us solve the toughest of customer challenges. We are the only company from India to have won all major international awards for excellence in zinc die castings. We claim to be the best source from India and set a benchmark with whatever we do. Being a trusted partner of some of the biggest and most renowned brands of India and the world tells the whole story in itself. Indian economy is opening up for business. Come join us in this exciting journey. DST Tech Private Limited, thriving towards innovation and technology.